Hello Internet, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Tori and today I have a finale for the Alice in WonderPAN. So I do want to talk a little bit before jumping into this wonderful project that was created by Alyshia. So there will be timestamps if you don't want to hear about where I've been and just want to see the finale, which is fine. All the timestamps will be listed down below or in the scroll bar and in the scroll bar. I've been so inconsistent that it's like so obvious. It's just so obvious. Like it's not even like, oh, I missed an upload. It's like, no, I've missed countless uploads. So growing up, did you guys ever have like a friend that was like always sick all the time? I'm one of those people. I really am one of those people. So I was all throughout schools, high school, everything, always sick. And then I stopped working with kids during college. So then I was sick less often. And obviously, because of Rona, I wasn't seeing that many people. So if I got sick, I knew where I got it from. But I started working with kids again. And I completely forgot that my immune system sucks. So I had the flu. And then I recovered. And that's when I posted the last video I made, was after I recovered those 2 weeks. And then I got sick again. What I was sick with last time was like, it could have been the other flu. Like the first time I had flu B, it could have been flu A, but honestly at that point, me and my doctor were both like, we're just gonna treat my symptoms and whatever happens, happens. So I had issues with my lungs because I have asthma. I was born with asthma, so it's something I'm going to continually suffer with, and that's whatever. But I was having trouble with my lungs, so I was put on a different inhaler, but I was also so congested. I did not sound normal, so I could not really film without sounding like a hot mess and looking like a hot mess. So then that was another 2 weeks pretty much down for the count. So that was like the whole month. Now, because obviously I'm working with kids again, it's going to take up to 6 months for my immune system to fix itself. So I can't guarantee anything, but I can only hope that I no longer get sick. I try my best. I will continue to try my best. And we will see what happens. So, Alice in WonderPAN. Like I said before, this project was created by Alyshia. She will be listed down below as well as the master list for this project. This project ended on March 4th, but I did want to recap it because while one of the goals was hit very late, I did hit goal in everything. So, from the top, Rosie update, Rosie check. This is what you get because you hopped on my desk. This is the hoarder cat. I don't remember if I told her story. So because it's been a hot minute since I watched the last update, I'm just going to go over the stuff that I have written down. So I feel like 2 of these might be repeats, but I'm sorry. It happens. So the first thing I have to talk about is for the prompt. It's no use going back to yesterday because I was a different person then. And it's a product that I won't repurchase from... Actually, I didn't technically purchase this because I got it from Influencer. But this is the Bounce Concealer in 110N Light Shell. So this was done because it started to break me out. So since last update, I don't even think I used it, but I just called it done because I wasn't dealing with it. Now I can't see my paper because you're sitting on it. Next, for Curiouser and Curiouser. I still said them wrong, but whatever. A product that you use for a purpose other than it's intended. So I have the ABH Brow Pen in Soft Brown. I use this for fake freckles. My goal for this project was to use it 5 times. Since the last update, I needed 2 more uses, and those uses were hit on January 28th. Very happy. Yeah, it's still vibing in my life. I literally finished a different brow pen and still haven't finished that one. So happy with it. So happy. Next, for painting the roses red, the item or prompt is a red nail polish. So I picked the Hollow Taco nail polish in Party Punk. My goal was to use this 5 times. Since the last update, I needed to be used twice, and those goals were hit on February 12th. I adore this nail polish so much. I really hope this doesn't get discontinued, because Hollow Taco finally did start like discontinuing some of their nail polishes. So if you're wondering, I do still collect Hollow Taco. I am just like 4 collections behind. So I'll get them all eventually if they don't go out. But there has been a couple of the collections that I just haven't been able to get because I wasn't actively collecting them, which is fine. I don't need them all, but I would like them all, like Pokemon. Anyway, next, for Blue Caterpillar, a minimizing slash, what is that word? That does not look like glowing. I don't know what my notes say. Anyway, I went with the minimizing side. So I did the e.l.f. Oil Control Serum. My goal was to use this 5 times because I never used it before. I love this. I used it pretty much as a primer. I know I technically could have put a primer over top, but I would rock with this as a primer, and it made my makeup look good. And I hit the goal on February 22nd. This, I think I'm going to keep out on my desk, even though it's not in any project, because I kind of just want to keep using it now. And last but not least, for the prompt, we're all mad here, a product that drives another panner crazy. So I picked the brand to be like specific MAC products. So I picked the MAC Happy Go Dazzling Highlighter. My goal with this item was to just use it 10 times, and I hit the 10 uses on March 13th. So I wanted to end this project early when I first was recovering. But then I wasn't wearing makeup, so I was like, you know what, I'm just going to hit its goal and then film it when it's done, because I'm going to count this project as a success. Success. Oh my gosh. I can't speak. Yeah, so through this project, there were a couple declutters, mostly lip products, because I'm having a bad relationship with lip products currently, which is, it's whatever. It will fix itself eventually. But yeah, I am very happy with how I did on this project. And I'm very happy also because I love Alice in Wonderland so much that I was able to do it some justice. As you can see now, you can see Alice's little bow on her Funko Pop covered with shot glasses. She's up there. She's chilling. Her little... I got this one recently. This is the limited edition 65th anniversary. Her in the little Mad Hatter teacup. So adorable. So adorable. I couldn't find the big ones because a lot of the big ones go on sale. Not go on sale. They get sold out real quick when it's a Disney anniversary stuff. But yeah. Still in love with Alice. Very happy with this project. Like I said in the intro, the list of everyone else who did this project is in the description box down below. So do not forget to check out everyone else who participated. That is it from me. I hope you all have an amazing day or night whenever you're watching this. Peace out, Girl Scout.